Hi beautiful one, and today it's all about goal settings, setting goals, staying motivated and focused. Come on, let's go, let's have this conversation. Have you ever been walking down the street? You want to get 2 miles down the road, and every minute you're stopping and looking at all the lovely things in the shop window, your progress is extremely slow. Well, that's what it's almost like when setting goals. Sometimes it's quite difficult to set goals, isn't it? We're always stopping along the way and not reaching the goals that we want to reach. Now, I have spoken on goal setting before. Check out my goal setting 101 video here. So how can we keep focused? How can we set those goals? How can we maintain those goals? How do goals keep us motivated? Well, when we have a goal, that means that we've got an idea or a focus in mind for the future, something that could be short term, something that could be long term, but it's something that we have in mind that we want to reach. Now, we know we just started the year, January, or the spring is coming in now, but January, people set New Year's resolutions that very rarely ever come to fruition, purely because it's quite hard. They say, all right, I'm going to give up this, and then the next day it's just nothing has been formulated in order to be able to set those goals, to maintain them. And that's the reason why goals are set. Goals help us keep focused and motivated because we want to reach from here to there. So here are some tips for setting achievable goals. First off is you've got to set the goal. So set the goal first, and then you review every step of the way. You would review whatever it is. So for instance, let's say you want to set the goal of saving £625 for the year. Now, I'm doing this because it's a little challenge that I'm doing throughout this year. And so every day you'd save like a penny, would have been on the first day of the month of January. So now we're in day 61. So today you would save 61 pence. And by the end of the year, you save 600 something pounds. So that's the goal. So every week you check in and make sure, oh, have I put in my 62 pence or whatever? So this week from last Saturday to yesterday was about £3.52. Okay, have I put that £3.52 into my pot? And that's how the money is made. So every week you're reviewing and setting those goals. Now, what you have to do, don't forget halfway in between. You've got to keep that momentum going. And you know that momentum builds slowly and slowly. You know, let's think of one of those push and pull trains, you know, the steam trains from back in the day. It would start off, you know, and get faster and faster and faster. And it builds up that momentum so it can reach to where it needs to get to. And that's what we have to do with our goals. So it's about restarting, like I said, that 1 pence and 2 pence, dribble, 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 and then right to the end where we reach that goal. Even walking from one end of the street, that 2 mile radius that you want to walk without stopping. I guess you can stop every so often, have a little drink. That's the review. Okay, I've got this far. Now I've got that far to go. I've just got to get to that monument that's standing right there, and that means I've reached the goal. And that's what we want to do. So keep up that momentum. Also, getting someone like a paid mentor or someone that is within the field that you're in, within that goal that you want to reach. You will pay someone to help you plan out, map out, and reach that goal. So lots of people get coaches, for instance. Lots of people get coaches that will help them to start, plan out, and get to that desired destination. Having positive people around you, having those ones that are like in your corner, yeah, go, 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 go. Having those kinds of people that can shape you, like I said in the previous video about having accountability buddies. Those people, your friends, are those, or not necessarily your friends, because sometimes your friends don't support what you're doing. It's just a given fact. Having someone that's positive in your corner that can work, having a group of people that are positive, that you're probably all working towards the same goal, that can help as well. Goals measure our progress. So if we don't have any goals, then we don't have anything to really attain to or worry about, because we're kind of just going through the motion. Is it all they're going through the motion of things? Whereas when you have a goal, a set goal, an end target, then you're going to work towards that so that your goals measure that progress. Goals also, beautiful ones, they reduce stress, because if you map something out, then you know, okay, today I've got to do this, and tomorrow I've got to do such and such to be closer to whatever it is that you want to map out. It could be anything. It could be a business. It could be, again, going on holiday. I always use these analogies, but that's what it could possibly be. So by us having these goals, it can reduce the stress, because we know that once we've set the targets and we hit those targets, that we're happy to do that. And this is something also, say if you're learning something, that you get given assignments to do, and that's what the goals are. It's like reaching the little assignments that you set yourself out to do. If we do have something in mind and we're starting something, and there's a finish line to that, beyond that finish line we're going to make more goals, but we just want to get to the finish line. And that's what the importance of setting goals is. And people might say, oh no, there's no point in doing that, or you don't have to call them goals, you can call them tasks, you can call them whatever it is, but it is the point of starting something and set a little incremental steps in between to achieve where you want to go or get to in the end. That's primarily it. So remember, review progress, set new goals along the way, keep up the momentum, keep that going, get paid mentors in to help out, and also positive people that be rooting for you in your corner and just shouting you along the way to reach to where you want to go. And remember, goals, we want to set these goals to strengthen us, stay motivated, and to maintain positive focus. This is what this goal setting is all about, and I know you've got it. I know you can do this, okay? So keep going, keep on going, and remember, I'm NatashaJohn-Baptiste, life coach, mentor, peer mentor, and I'm here for you. So give me a call if you need to. And beautiful one, I'll see y'all on the other side. Take care.